Hello everyone, welcome to class 11 mathematics chapter 1 sets. So let's get started with sets. Before I start on with the introduction and all, I'll just give you a brief idea of what we are going to learn in this chapter and what is the basic requirement we need to understand before starting the chapter. Here in this one, a equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, which is even number, even natural number, and it is not ending dash 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 indicate. We can continue writing here as 12, 14 as it is in finite set. Then M, you can see here I have denoted A, M, B like that. Some address is given to them, naming has been done. So that denotion, January, June and July. You can see in this one we have not added Jan, Feb, March and all. We have started with, so a particular condition we have maintained. Months of the year which start with J. Then B equal to 2, 4, 6. These are called sets 2, 4, 6, 8. Here you can see what is the difference between the set A and B. This is infinite set and this is finite. We have closed the bracket at 0.8. That means these are even natural number which are less than 10. So these are less than 10. Then P equal to 2, 3, 5. By now you have gotten these are first 5 prime natural number finite set. So we have the last number here, that is 11, and the bracket has been closed. So these are finite set, this one which we know in, and these dash dash indicates it is infinite set. Then one more thing you might have noticed over here, that we have put it in a flower bracket, that is curly bracket we call it. So set elements, that means these numbers, they are called our members, objects or elements. They have to be separated with comma. This is a basic requirement, and they have to be put in the curly bracket, that we call it as flower bracket. Do make a note, round bracket, square bracket or any other type of bracket will not be taken as set. So it should be enclosed in curly bracket or flower bracket. So next one. Here example, if at all it is given this way, the collection of vowels in English alphabets. So what are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. How do we write it? So I will write vowels V equal to curly bracket open A, E, I, O, U. So they have to be separated with a comma. So these are the conditions to write a set. This should be in capital letter, which we denote it. It should be in capital letter, whereas these all should be, the members should be in small letters. The collection of all states of in India, Indian Union. So you can write I will take it to denote the set, equal to curly bracket open up, and then you can start writing. The best way of writing all the Indian states is write in alphabetical order. Arunachal Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, so that like Bihar, you can go on writing, and at the point when we complete, we will close it with the closed bracket, that is flower bracket. Collection of first 5, I'll make it clear here, first 5 prime natural number. So open bracket, curly bracket, first 5, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. So by now you know how to write a set with the given thing. These are called elements, objects or members. This has to be given some denoted with a capital letter. The address has to be provided with capital letter. Now we'll see what is a definition, or before that, this one is not clear here, but I will read it out for you. Collection of good cricket players is not a set. So they say good cricket players is not a set. So this good word is characterizing the cricket players. Now for you, if it is Dhoni who is a good cricket player, for your friend it might be Virat Kohli, or it differ from person to person. Same way here, good teacher, for you math teacher is a good teacher, then for your friend science teacher might be a good teacher. So it again, this varies with person to person. So here this one describing word for a particular thing. Difficult topics in mathematics. So difficult topics again which you find easy, your friend might find difficult. So again in all these three cases we see here it is not well defined, and these are vague statement wherein we cannot come under one proper conclusion, so these cannot be taken as sets. Now here actually your chapter starts here. Sets definition: a well defined collection of object is called as set. Now what is set? It is collection. Collection of what? The elements. Just now we were writing 2, 4, 6, 8. They are called as element. You can call them object or members. Then next, the denotion by the capital letters. The address should be by capital and elements of the set should be in small letter. A, E, I, O, U, as I told you, with the separator comma. I've already mentioned about it, so we'll move on with the next one. Yes, this part is very important. Throughout the chapter we are going to use it. Symbols which we are going to use: belongs to. Belongs to here, this is a Greek word epsilon. E is taken, it looks like E. So belongs to, this is a symbol. Not belongs to, put a slash on this one. For every element V and then one slash. For null set, or it is also called as empty set, which will be learning more about it, it is open the bracket, close the bracket, don't write anything in it, and that would be null set. And most important thing, if you put 0, it is not set. 0 is taken as an element, member or an object, so nothing should be there. One more symbol for it is, this is a symbol which represent null set. These 2 points like this, these 2 points indicate it is such that, or such that can be written with one slash, not a slanting or anything, just one slash will say it is such that. So now for example, where we are going to use, if I take set A, 2, 4, 6, 8 is the set. Now I'll ask whether 2 belongs to A. 2 is there present in A. Yes, so we will write 2 belongs to A. 10, does it belong to A? No, it does not, because 10 is not there. It does not belong to A. It's as simple as that. So moving on with the next one. Here these are the few sets which we'll be commonly using here in this chapter. So N is indicated for natural number, Z is for integers, and here in this case Z plus we have to write here, Z plus on the top, that means it is positive integers. Then we have Q for rational number, Q plus for positive rational number, Q plus for positive rational number. Then here we have next one, R for real numbers, R plus should be written, children. Here R plus for positive real numbers. So C for all complex number. What is complex number? If at all you don't know, we will be learning it as a separate chapter. As of now, C is given for complex number. Next, description of set will be done in 2 ways. One is it is called as roster method. Another one it is set builder form. First one, roster form or set builder form. So what are these roster form and set builder form? Do you remember in your childhood, if at all you have played with the building blocks, the blocks you are given to you, you will build up a bridge or a home or whatever according to your thing. So here also in this one, set builder, there some information will be given, and that we will call it as a property, characterizing property. Now that property might be like prime number, natural numbers, less than 10, or name of the states which start with particular A, like that. The condition that described words characterizing, that we call it as set builder, which will give information to build the set. For example, P. X is a element which belongs to natural number, C belongs to natural number, such that these 2 dots indicate such that X is a prime number. So the property here given is prime number, and this one, this element X is more greater than 10 and it is less than 20. So this, if I have to write it in a set form, that we will call it as roster form. So what is set builder? The description is given. It will help you to build the set. So that is called as set builder form. So here roster form you can make out. The roster form using set builder, you can convert it to roster form. In this form, a set is described by listing the elements. That means you see the elements in it. So just now what I showed you in the previous slide, it is a prime number. X is a prime number greater than 10 but less than 20. See, prime number 11, 13, 17, 19. This is a prime number. This x is such that it is a prime number. It belongs to natural number. So this is the roster form where elements are seen or elements are listed. So we will, with this information, let us start with. Now with the information and the introduction what we got in, with that we will solve exercise 1.1. Which of the following are sets? Justify your answer. Now we know this set is a well-defined collection of objects. Well-defined it should be. So the collection of all months of year beginning with letter J. So with the example I have shown you, that is Jan, June and July. Very much we can put it and write the set. It is well defined. So it is a set. Collection of 10 most talented. So see here, this talented word is a spoiler here actually. So talented writers of India. We cannot categorize as a talented person or a writer. So it is wrong. A team of 11 best cricket. See this best cricket again. Batsmen of the world. No, not a set. Collection of all boys in your class. Yes, definitely. It is all boys in the class. So they are not asking for talented boys or best boys or like that. The collection of all natural number less than 100. Yes, we can write it less than 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, dash dash up to 99. Definitely it is a set. A collection of novels written by writer Munshi Premchand. Yes, definitely. What are the books written by this writer? Can be listed in one set. Yes, it definitely can be a set. Collection of all even integer. Yes, it can be a set. It will be an even integer 1, 2, 3, an infinite set. Go on writing it. So yes, it is a set. We still have questions here. The collection of questions in this chapter. Arre baapre, so many questions are there. But definitely it is a set. So you can write all the questions written in this chapter. So it is well defined, very much in the set. The what are questions are there, they form together. The collection of most dangerous. So again dangerous word, describing word. No, it is not a set. Then next one, second one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 belongs to A. A is having the set content, elements, members are shown. Insert appropriate symbol. Belong to, not belong to, in the blank. 5 belong to A, 5 is here. Yes, it belongs to A. 8 belongs to A, 8 is missing, so not belong to. 0 belong to A, 0 is not there in A, does not belong to. 4 belong to, yes, 4 is there, so it belongs to. 2, you have to look in whether this number is there in the set or not. Belong to. Yes, it belongs to A. 10, 10 is not there. Nahi hai, so it does not belong to. Third question. Write the following set in roster form. That is, we need to write this set builder form to the elements given. So, A equal to, open the bracket. Children, here do read the question very clearly. That means the elements in the set A are called as X such that, two dots, such that X is an integer. So integer and condition given over here, that is the number should be greater than equal to -3 but less than 7. Equal to, see this sign, when you write it equal to, you find it that you will take this number as well, equal to. So we will start with -3, -2, -1, 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Should I write 7? No, because it is less than 7, not less than equal to 7. Don't take it. This is your set. Then B, X is such that X is natural number. X is such that it is a natural number less than 6. So B, give the address, same thing. It is natural number less than natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Separator, curly brackets, less than 6. So don't take 6, stop it at 5. Next, C here is X. C equal to is a 2-digit natural number such that sum of its digit is 8. That means it is a 2-digit natural number. Do understand the question here. X is such that it is 2-digit natural number. So 2-digit natural number, I'll start with 1 plus 7, 17, it will become 8 bracket. Then I'll increase this 2 and decrease it. 26, yes. 35, then what else will come? 44, then 53. See, 35, here it should not come bracket, it is 35, not bracket, comma. So this is 35, 44. Then you can repeat this one, same number, but the value will be different. Definitely you can take it as 53, 62 and 71. One more we'll get 8 plus 0, 80. Did you all get it? 1 plus 7, 8, 2-digit number 70. 2 plus 6, 8. 3 plus 5. So 35, 53, two different numbers, they are included in the set. Fourth question, D. D is a prime number. See, X such that X is a prime number which is divisor of 60. That means it will divide 60. Prime number. So I will start prime number with 2. Will 2 divide 60? Yes, it will. 3 will do it? Yes, 3 also will divide. Then 5, yes, 5 also divide 60. Then we'll continue prime number 7, no, 11, no. After that it will not divide. So these are the prime numbers which divide 60. Then E, set of all letters in the word trigonometry. Now before starting, see here, how many are repeated? T is repeated, O is repeated, then anything else is repeated? No. So which are repeated letters will be written only once. I will write it here. Trigonometry, E equal to trigonometry. I will write T, R, I, comma G, O already written, then N. We are not writing O again because O already has come in. M, E, T is not written because T we have written here. Y. So we are not repeating the letter. So this is a set. The elements of the word trigonometry, E, it is given address. So what you have to note here is, in a letter, if it is repeated twice, so you are taking it single time. Then for better you can do it. F equal to, write B, I will write B wrote, E, write E, T one time, T written, E already written, then R. That's your set. So hope you got it with these two, that in a letter, in a word, if the letters are repeated, do write one time. Next one, fourth question. Here you need to be a bit careful or try to understand things and write it. Write the following set in set builder form. So when I see this set 3, check out the brackets, it should be here, flower bracket only. So 3 I will write it as 3 into 1. What is coming out common? Check out. 3 into 2, 3 into 3, 3 into 4. Can you see this one? In this one 3, 6, 9, 12. I can put it in this format. So I can write this as 3n, where n is 1, 2, 3, 4. So now let us write the set builder here. for it. So we will assign some name, or it is not given. So here it is x such that x is what? X is equal to 3n. Why n? See here, n. Now this n can be any number? No, it cannot be any number. N belongs to a natural number, and condition you have to write, continue. Here look, n should be, check out this children, 1, 2, 3, 4. So n should be greater than equal to 1 and it should be less than equal to 4. So this is a condition. Is that clear? So I will write it here such that x is equal to 3n. N cannot be any number. N belongs to natural number, and in this one, what should be n value? N should be greater than equal to 1 and it should be less than equal to 4. So we have taken less than equal to 4. You can write only less than 5 like that. So but here less than equal to 4 we have taken. It ranges from 1 to 4. Is that clear? Next one. This one. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. How do we write 2, 4, 6, 8, 32? I will make it as 2, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 5. See, can you make out 2 square 4, 2 cube 8, 2 raised to 4 is 16, this. So what happened here? It becomes 2 raised to n. So shall we write what it will become? It is x such that x is equal to 2 raised to n. Here you got this one, x equal to 2 raised to n. And what is n? N we don't take 0, right? So we are taking n belongs to natural number, and up to where it is given? 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So it ranges from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what we will write in this case? And n is greater than equal to 1, less than equal to 5. Done. Yes. Next one, this sum. 5, 25, this one again it is 5 raised to 1, 5 square, 5 cube, 5 raised to 4 is 6. Okay. So what did you get in this case? 5 raised to n. So what will be your answer? X such that x is equal to 5 raised to n, and n belongs to natural number. And how is n? What are the values of n? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it should be greater than equal to 1, less than equal to 4. Clear? Yeah. Now fourth one, I'll write it here. 2, 4, 6 dash dash dash. Anything it can be. Fourth one, give a try. What it is? Straight away we will write in this x such that x is an even number. Now we have not given even natural number. Even natural number. Close it. See, this is dash infinite set. So we write here it is. See how we will write this one. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square dash dash. Where we got last one, 10 square. Yes, you need to understand the set, how it is, that third vision required to understand what format it is given. So now it is of what form? What is changing? 1, 2, 3. So we will write this n square, isn't it? What the numbers 1, 2, 3 is changing? N square. Now what condition? N ranges from 1 to 10. So let us write it here. It is this one, x, the element is x such that x belongs to, okay, x is equal to n square. And what is n? N belongs to natural number because we are starting from 1. And condition, what should be n value? N value should be greater than equal to 1, and less than equal to 10. By this I hope you have understood the set builder form. So next main, that is fifth main, list all the elements of the following sets. So now this is given in set builder form, we have to put it in roster form. So A equal to x is such that x is an odd natural number 1, we start 1, 3 odd number, 5 dash 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 close, infinite number because we don't have the closing limit over here. So 1, 3, 5 dash dash up to the natural number continue. Second one, B, understand this point children here, x is such that x is an integer which is greater than minus 1 by 2 but less than 9 by 2. It is an integer. Okay. So I have written here, this is the main. It starts from minus 1 by 2 because it is given greater than minus 1 by 2. So we should not take. And it is less than 9 by 2. So this number should not be taken. Here after 1, check out the numerator. It is minus 1, then comes 0 only. So 0 integer. So we can take here 0 is an integer. 1 by 2 is a rational number. Don't take it. 2 by 2 will be 1. Take it. 3 by 2 rational number, not an integer. Don't take it. 4 by 2 will be 2. So take the integer. 5 by 2 not an integer, rational number. Cancel this one 3. So you take 3, then 2 and 4. So 4. This is our set for B. So be careful what they are asking. Do go with it. Third one, C, x such that x is an integer and x square is less than equal to 4. See, x is an integer. X should be integer over here. So I will write C. When it is squared, its value should be equal to 4 or less than 4. So let me start with minus 3 I cannot take. So it should be minus 2 here. If I put minus 2 whole square, we'll get 4 equal to 4. Then minus 1. Minus 1 square is 1 which is less than 4. Then 0 will come because they say integer it is. Then 1 square will be 1 only. Then 2 square will be 4. Then 3 will not come because 3 square become 9 which is not less than 4. So this is our final set. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 over here. So this condition should be satisfied. Then D, x such that x is a letter in the word loyal. So this is an easy one. D equal to loyal, L, O, Y, A. L is already written, that's it. E is set where x such that x is a month of a year not having 31 days. Okay, here E equal to, you can start in your knuckles if at all you have the practice of doing it. January 31, Feb is having 28 but the condition is not having 31. So February will come in the set. Then next will be April, June, September and November. So these are the months which do not have 31 days in this. So you will be writing all this. What confuses is we leave out February. Okay. F, X is a consonant in English alphabet which precedes K. Okay. So they say in this consonant, I will write here A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Which precedes K means K is a limit here up till K, not. So we will remove which are the vowels A, E, I. So what are remaining consonant? The set here will be F equal to B, C, D, F, G, H and J. Done. These are the consonant. We have removed the vowels, remaining are consonant. Now sixth question, match the following. 1 2 3 4. Here it is 1 2 3 6 is a natural number and divisor of 6. So option, this is C. Then 2 comma 3, what it is? Check out, is a prime number and divisor of 6. Okay, 2 and 3 are prime number. This option A here. Mathematics here very clearly option D for it. And 1 3 5 7 9, last one remaining, odd natural number less than 10. So this option is B. So here we complete our exercise 1.1. In next video I will be working out exercise 1.2.